Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add bucket field in Salesforce. So let's proceed by understanding what is bucket field in Salesforce. Bucket field is a feature used in reports to group and categorize the report data without the need for creating or modifying fields in the Salesforce database. It allows the user to define ranges or set of values like bucket for a specific field and assign labels to these buckets and specifying the process of data segmentation and analysis. So let's proceed ahead and learn to create a bucket field in Salesforce Lightning. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning version. So we click on the setup. I am already in the setup page. So if you are not, so you have to click on this gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that and under this gear icon, you can see there is a setup option present. Click on this setup option and your setup page is open. Now click on the app launcher. These 9 dots shown at the top left corner. This is the app launcher logo. So click on this and you can search the report. You enter the report in the search box or you click on the view all option and you will get the report here by scroll down and you will get the reports item and here is the report. Click on the report option and it will redirect us to the report page and from here you will get the option of the new report. So here is a button of the new report at the right side. When we click on this new button, a dialog box is appear on the screen and from here we have to choose our desired report category and here we can see a category on the left side like recently used, all, accounts and contacts, opportunities, and so on. You can see there are lots of category present and here we choose the account and contacts. Click on this account and contacts option and now you have to select the desired report type. So okay, from here I choose the accounts and you can choose as per your requirement and it open a detailed dialog box on the left side and here you can see we have a button of a start report. So you have to click on this start report button and it will redirect us to the new account report page. And on the left side, you have to click on the drop down arrow of the column. And when we click on this drop down arrow, there is an option add bucket column. So click on this option and the dialog box is open, added bucket column. So now you have to write the bucket name and I give the name to the bucket as a John. And from here on the left side, you have to select the desired fields. So here you can see on the above we have a field column and here you can see that it is by default select to the account owner. So you can click on the cross button and you will get the all the fields name from here and you have to select the desired fields. So here I select the billing city. So search the billing city here. Where is the billing city? Click on this billing city and it will show me the 11 values. Now you have to click on the add bucket. This is the add bucket button and now you can group this fields and here it after clicking on the add bucket button and here it will ask you to enter the bucket name. Now I enter the bucket name as a Northern Zone. Now you can see that the Northern Zone bucket is created. Now you also create the another one. So here I again click on the add bucket field and then enter the bucket name as a Southern Zone. Hit enter and our another bucket is also created and now you click on the all 11 values and here and from here I select some of the value like I select this 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 and this and click on the move to option and here you can see from this list three options are shown northern zone, southern zone and unbucketed value. So I want to shift these cities to the northern zone, so we click on the northern zone and the five values added to the northern zone. Now so you can see that it shift to the northern zone bucket that I have created. So now you have to click on the unbucketed value. Now you have to select these value. You have to shift to the another bucket. So now I select these city, this, and this, and click on the move to and select the southern zone because I want to shift these city to the southern zone. And you can see these cities are shifted to the southern zone that I have created. And here are the some value that are remaining in the unbucketed value are shown. Only two values are remaining and it is present in the unbucketed value column. Now here we have the checkbox. You can select it to bucket remaining value as other. If I click here, so it will make this unbucketed value as a other. So after clicking on this checkbox, bucket remaining value as other, click on the apply. Now you have to click on this refresh to refresh all these changes. It will take some time. After refreshing here, you can see that it create the field zone and it enter the zone as per the city. You can see the northern zone, southern zone, and the others create the zone as per their cities. So here it create the bucket field. So with this, we have successfully created the bucket field in this Salesforce Lightning edition. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.